You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. In this lab, we are just taking snapshots of our virtual machines. The reason why we're taking snapshots is so that in case we ever have to go back, we ever have to revert, we ever have to run into any problems, we have a known good state to go back to. So I'm going to shut down every machine carefully. So this is my workstation. I'm going to go from workstation, Exchange server, and then ADDS. So I'm going to shut down my workstation first. Remember to shut it down completely if you want a very good snapshot. Otherwise, you'll get a snapshot that is prone to get corrupted. You might get a snapshot that is prone to get corrupted. So it's always a good idea to always shut down the machine completely and then take a snapshot. Now, once this is done, I right click, snapshot, take a snapshot. I'm going to name the snapshot lab 43. It's not slapshot, it's snapshot. Snap. All right, next, I'm going to start with the Exchange server. I'm going to slowly and steadily shut down all the open elements here. Right click, shut down. Hardware maintenance, planned, continue. Now I could just put in software maintenance. I don't even have to put the reason. I just put the reason so that you also realize that I'm doing this for a particular reason. I'm not doing this because it is just fun to do. And it is a bad idea to be shutting down your virtual machines, especially ones that are running roles that you know are important, without thinking it through. You need to be sure about it. Take a snapshot, lab 43. All right, so then we move on to NITA ADDS02. Again, same thing here. Now, I have a few open things here. You would not have them. If you have them, good. If you don't have them, it's not a problem either. It is just one of those things that I have them on the virtual machines for a different reason. So I'm going to shut down the machine. So for example, if I say unplanned and continue, there's nothing stopping me. It is just so that Microsoft does not log it as an error or does not log it as a problem that I do this by that way. Where I say it's a planned maintenance, it is this, it is that. All right, snapshot, take snapshot, lab 43. And that's it. That's all the labs done. All the snapshots done. The lab is completed. Now, I'll, however, just start powering on my virtual machines before I log off for this lab or before I complete this lab, because I want my machines to be running for the next few things. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.